What if you could cook, heat, and enjoy your favorite meals anywhere you go? In today's video, we're counting down 5 amazing travel cooking appliances that are compact, practical, and designed for life on the move. Stay until the end because one of these products might become your next travel essential. Let's dive in. Portable travel cooking appliance with temperature control, stainless steel design, and fast boiling performance. A compact and versatile travel cooking appliance can make a noticeable difference for people who spend time on the road, stay in hotels, or work in shared spaces. This portable electric kettle is designed to provide hot water quickly while maintaining convenience and safety. Its stainless steel interior helps support durability and easy cleaning, while the compact design makes it simple to pack in luggage, backpacks, or carry-on bags. The kettle features multiple temperature settings, allowing users to prepare different beverages and foods at suitable heat levels. Whether you need hot water for tea, coffee, instant noodles, oatmeal, or baby formula, adjustable temperature control offers added flexibility. Safety features such as automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection help reduce concerns about overheating during use. Portable kettles of this type are commonly designed with travel-friendly dimensions and efficient heating technology for everyday convenience. For travelers, remote workers, campers, and anyone who values access to hot water away from home, this product offers a practical solution. Its combination of portability, temperature control, and safety features makes it a worthwhile recommendation for those looking for a reliable companion during trips and daily activities. Let's see some FAQs related to this. Question 1. Why is a travel cooking appliance useful during trips? A travel cooking appliance allows users to prepare hot drinks and simple meals wherever a power source is available, making travel more comfortable and convenient. Question 2. What features should you look for in a travel cooking appliance? When choosing a travel cooking appliance, useful features include adjustable temperature settings, stainless steel construction, automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, and a compact design for easy portability. Compact travel cooking appliance with adjustable temperature control and versatile countertop cooking features. Finding a convenient way to prepare meals while traveling can be challenging, especially when access to a full kitchen is limited. A reliable travel cooking appliance can help simplify meal preparation by offering a compact design and practical cooking functions in one unit. This electric countertop cooker is designed for individuals who need a portable option for preparing a variety of foods, whether at home, in an RV, at a campsite, or during extended stays away from home. The appliance features adjustable temperature settings that allow users to cook different dishes according to their needs. Its compact footprint makes it easy to place on countertops without taking up excessive space, while the user-friendly controls help create a straightforward cooking experience. The versatile design supports a range of cooking tasks, from heating and simmering to preparing quick meals and snacks. For travelers, students, and anyone seeking a flexible cooking solution, this product offers a practical balance of convenience and functionality. Its portable nature and adjustable controls make it a recommended choice for those looking for a dependable cooking companion during everyday use and travel. Let's see some FAQs related to this. Question 1. Why is a travel cooking appliance useful for people on the go? A travel cooking appliance provides a convenient way to prepare meals in locations where traditional kitchen equipment may not be available, helping users save time and enjoy greater flexibility. Question 2. What should be considered when choosing a travel cooking appliance? When selecting a travel cooking appliance, factors such as portability, temperature control, ease of cleaning, cooking versatility, and overall durability can help determine the best option for different needs. Portable travel cooking appliance for convenient meal heating and food preparation during daily commutes. Maintaining access to warm meals while traveling, commuting, or working long hours away from home can be difficult. A practical travel cooking appliance offers a simple way to enjoy freshly heated food without relying on microwaves or restaurant meals. Compact and easy to carry, this type of electric lunchbox is designed for people who prefer preparing meals in advance and warming them when needed. The unit typically combines portability with efficient heating technology, making it suitable for use in offices, vehicles, dorm rooms, and other locations where traditional kitchen appliances may not be available. Its user-friendly design allows food to be heated evenly while helping preserve flavor and texture. Many users appreciate the convenience of carrying homemade meals, which can support healthier eating habits and reduce spending on takeout food. For individuals who spend significant time on the road or away from a kitchen, this product can be a useful addition to daily routines. Its blend of portability, convenience, and meal heating capability makes it a recommended option for anyone seeking a dependable solution for enjoying warm food wherever the day leads. Let's see some FAQs related to this. Question 1. How can a travel cooking appliance improve daily meal routines? A travel cooking appliance allows users to heat prepared meals in convenient locations, making it easier to enjoy warm food during work, travel, or outdoor activities. Question 2. What features should be considered when choosing a travel cooking appliance? When selecting a travel cooking appliance, important factors include portability, heating efficiency, ease of cleaning, power compatibility, and overall durability for regular use. Compact travel cooking appliance kit with cutting board, peeler, scissors, and portable meal prep tools. Preparing food while traveling often requires practical tools that are easy to carry and simple to use. A well-designed travel cooking appliance kit can help simplify meal preparation by combining several essential kitchen accessories into one portable package. Compact cooking sets are especially useful for camping trips, road travel, RV adventures, picnics, and temporary accommodations where full kitchen equipment may not be available. A portable kitchen kit typically includes useful items such as a cutting board, peeler, scissors, and other food preparation tools that support everyday cooking tasks. The lightweight design makes storage and transportation convenient, while the organized layout helps keep accessories accessible when needed. Whether preparing fresh vegetables, slicing ingredients, or handling basic food preparation, these tools can contribute to a more efficient cooking experience away from home. For travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy preparing their own meals, this product offers a practical solution that combines convenience and functionality. Its compact design and versatile tool selection make it a recommended choice for anyone looking to improve food preparation during travel and outdoor activities. Let's see some FAQs related to this. Question 1. Why is a travel cooking appliance kit useful for travelers? A travel cooking appliance kit provides essential food preparation tools in a compact format, making it easier to prepare meals while traveling, camping, or staying in temporary accommodations. Question 2. What should be considered when selecting a travel cooking appliance kit? When choosing a travel cooking appliance kit, factors such as portability, tool quality, storage convenience, durability, and ease of cleaning can help determine the most suitable option. Portable travel cooking appliance with non-stick electric cooker and adjustable temperature control for easy meals. Preparing meals away from home becomes much easier when compact cooking equipment is available. A portable travel cooking appliance can provide a convenient way to cook simple dishes without relying on a full-sized kitchen. Designed with mobility in mind, this type of electric cooker is suitable for travelers, students, campers, and anyone living in small spaces where traditional cooking equipment may not be practical. The cooker features a non-stick cooking surface that helps reduce food residue and simplifies cleanup after use. Adjustable temperature settings allow different foods to be prepared according to individual preferences, making the appliance suitable for a variety of cooking tasks. Its compact structure supports easy storage and transportation, while the straightforward controls make operation simple for everyday use. Whether used for preparing breakfast, heating meals, or cooking light dinners, this appliance offers flexibility in a space-saving format. For individuals seeking a convenient solution for cooking on the go, it represents a practical choice. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and versatile cooking functions makes it a recommended option for travel and everyday meal preparation. Let's see some FAQs related to this. Question 1. What makes a travel cooking appliance useful during trips? A travel cooking appliance allows users to prepare or heat meals in locations where a traditional kitchen may not be available, offering greater convenience and flexibility while traveling. Question 2. What features should be considered when selecting a travel cooking appliance? When choosing a travel cooking appliance, it is helpful to look for adjustable temperature settings, easy cleaning, portability, durable construction, and cooking versatility to meet different needs. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Our video for today ends here. If you like any product, links of all products are given in the description for your convenience. Go to the description and order your favorite product. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the best upcoming videos.